In this video, I will show you how to fix the Mysterium VPN dark mode connection problem in a simple and easy way. This method works for most users and does not require any technical knowledge. Before we start, I want to quickly mention the VPN I personally trust and use every day. I have been using NordVPN for over 5 years because it offers strong security, fast speeds, and reliable servers all around the world. It is not free, but it is much safer and more stable than most free VPNs. I will talk more about NordVPN again at the end of this video, so keep watching. First, completely close the Mysterium VPN app. Do not leave it running in the background. On desktop, fully quit the app. On mobile, swipe it away so it is fully closed. Then open the app again and wait a few seconds before doing anything. Next, make sure Mysterium VPN is updated to the latest version. Using an old version often causes connection issues. Go to the official website or your app store, check for updates, and install them if available. After updating, restart your device. Now open Mysterium VPN and go into the settings. Look for the connection or protocol option. If it is set to automatic, change it to another available option. This helps reset the connection method. After that, return to the main screen. Instead of using Auto Connect, manually select a node or location. Choose one that is closer to your real location. Closer nodes are usually more stable and connect faster. Then click Connect once and wait up to 20 seconds. If it still does not connect, turn off your internet connection for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. If you are on Wi-Fi, restarting your router can also help. Once your internet is stable again, try connecting in Mysterium VPN one more time. You should also check if your firewall or antivirus software is blocking the app. Some security tools block decentralized VPNs. Temporarily disable them and test the connection. If it works, add Mysterium VPN to the allowed apps list. Keep in mind that free VPN services often have downsides like weak security, unstable connections, and slow speeds. Many free VPNs also make money by tracking your activity and selling your data, which is a serious privacy risk. If you're interested in trying out my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN. I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.